Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Monday, December 30th. Well, for Friday's action, I was not looking for this type of movement. As I mentioned in yesterday's video, I was looking for an inside type day. Now, as you approach year end, you can have window dressing, profit taking, you have rebalancing for some funds. But this is not the typical behavior. As we talked about the false sense of security that you see here, you look for volatility. And I just didn't expect to see this. So what do we look for on Monday? Now, if you're not familiar with these videos, this is the daily chart we're looking at. The green line represents buy, the red line represents sell. These are not buy and sell recommendations. Now, let's go back for Monday. I'm looking for an inside day on Monday. The dollar difference from this buy level to that sell level, just to give you a relative feel for this, especially if you're not used to futures, that's $6,650 a contract. Again, looking for inside day in that market. You know, when it comes to the NASDAQ, we're in the same boat. The difference between the buy and sell level in that market is $5,660 a contract. Again, looking for that inside day to start the week out. In the Dow, the difference between the buy and sell level in that market is $1,505 a contract. Again, looking for an inside type day. And in the Russell, small to mid cap stocks also broke to the downside. I do not look for follow through to the downside though on that market on Monday. The difference here between the buy and sell level is $500 a contract. Now, how about those currencies? Well, the euro, look for a sideways move. Swissy, I don't look for follow through to the downside in that market. Japanese yen's getting low enough to find buyers. Aussie dollar also implies a sideways move here. It's cheap. British pound, same thing. The structure there is for a move to the upside. Canadian dollar, sideways move. And in Bitcoin, dollar difference between that sell to buy level in that market is $37,325 a contract. What do we look for here? A sideways move. It wants to go higher, but buyers just aren't here. 10-year notes, sideways move. 30-year bonds, if yields continue up, look for further movement to the downside in that market. Gold's a market that's also trying to figure out what it wants to do. And I think here I don't look for big follow through. Coming week, the bias is still for a market that wants to go higher, but we're not seeing fundamental support for that market. Difference between that buy to that sell level is $300 a contract. You know, in the silver market, you're seeing something kind of similar, except it's directional here. This does imply follow through, so I am looking for a down day on Monday. Dollar difference buy to sell level in that market is $1,350 a contract. Well, in copper, China's supposed to be showing their economy is improving, which is the largest consumer of copper globally, but I just don't see it in the fundamental numbers that are coming out. The difference between the sell to this buy level in Mr. Copper is $2,500 a contract. What do we look for? Sideways move. And you know, crude oil. China, if it's picking up, it's the largest importer of energy. So yes, that would imply additional impact on crude. I just don't think this is a strong move. Look for an inside day there. The difference from that sell to the buy level in crude is $320 a contract. Now, in nat gas, a market that's been all over the map, the difference between the buy and sell level there is $3,500 a contract. I look for a sideways move in that market. Same thing for soybeans. Watch South America if you want to get insights into corn. Look for a little bit of follow through to the upside. I feel the same way about wheat. In other words, looking for follow through to the upside. Dollar difference between the sell and buy level there is $400 a contract. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Hope you found something helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Looking forward to being with you again on Monday. In the meantime, take care.